So hi and welcome to this another episode with me Arshin. In this video I'm going to talk about Karnataka PGCET 2023. There were so many cities in Karnataka, and especially when we talk about Bangalore, it is one of the most preferred destinations when it comes to MBA. Students from Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Hyderabad and a lot of cities across the country come to Bangalore because it is known as Silicon Valley of India, not only for engineering but even for MBA. So they have their own entrance examination if you want to do MBA from Karnataka, right? So I'm going to talk about the dates, the syllabus and each and everything related to this specific examination, which is PGCET 2023. So, watch this complete video and let's get started. So we'll start with this specific episode where the first thing is basically that if you want to do MBA from Karnataka, then this is their state level entrance examination to take admission who are affiliated to government universities in Karnataka. So it's a state level examination which is being conducted by Karnataka Examination Authority. Students who are willing to take admission into master's courses, which includes MTech, MBA, Masters in Engineering, Masters of Architecture, they can give this specific examination. Now, talking about the highlights when it comes to the dates and everything. So, first of all, the name of the examination is Karnataka Postgraduate, Common Entrance Test, which is also known as PGCET. Conducting body is Karnataka Examination Authority. It's a state level examination, postgraduate. It is basically conducted for all the postgraduate courses in Karnataka. Exam mode will be offline, application mode will be online. And talking about, the official website, which is cetonline.karnataka.gov.in. Right now, talking about when will the form will release. So far, there isn't any official date that when PGCET will be conducted, but talking about the applications, release of the application, it will be released in the last week of May. We're already sitting on 24th of May. Within few days, you will get the latest update that they have started their application. And once they'll start their application, I'll definitely make a video so that, you will get all the latest update related to PGCET examination and also what colleges you can target based on your PGCET score. So for that, if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe because here we talk about MBA, MBA and MBA. So that was the date when it comes to the application. Now talking about the deadline to submit the application, it will be near about end of June. And in this last week of June, you can pay the application fees. Admit card will be released in the first week of July, whereas, deadline for verification of details and correction in admit cards is second week of July. Apart from it, Karnataka PGCET exam date will be near about third week of July, right? Answer key will be released first week of August. Objection against the answer key second week of August. Announcement of result third week of August. And verification of document fourth week of August. Last year, if you all can remember, likewise, all the counseling, right, state level counseling, right, from Maharashtra to CT to there's so many other counseling. PGCET was also so delayed, right, and students were like taking admission August, September, so it is slightly delayed after COVID. So let's say, when this will be conducted for this current year 2023, this definitely, create a huge problem for students because the session starts too late and it affects their internship, it affects their curriculum and a lot more thing. So, but the dates are like approximately, what I just mentioned right here. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, only Karnataka residents are eligible for OBC, ST, SC category, right? All Karnataka state applicants must fall within the MID Karnataka domicile. Candidate from Karnataka and non-Karnataka for MCA, MBA can also apply. It's very simple, if you are an All India candidate, then you lie under All India seat category. But let's say if you are, for example, you're from Maharashtra, you comes under SC category and you wanted to apply for PGCET, then there your SC category won't be, counted because you'll come under All India category candidates, right? So only those students can apply two categories like OBC, ST, SC who are having Karnataka domicile, right? Talking about MBA, full-time candidates possesses a bachelor's degree, minimum 50 percentile. If you're from reserve category, then 45 percentile. Part-time candidates must possess a bachelor's degree, but must have worked for at least 3 years and acquired a minimum of 50 percentile agreed. And for reserve category, it is 45%. Now, must fill out Karnataka PGCET application. You have to give the examination, and based on your score you can apply for the counselling, and through your score you will be able to get into colleges in Karnataka, right? Steps to fill Karnataka PGCET application. This I'll brief you once they'll open the application by showing you that how you can proceed with the application, but this is a general kind of information that you have to go to their official website, request it to register. Then after that, using your email ID number, you can register yourself, then fill out all your details, which includes your 10th, 12th graduation. Let's say you're from category, you need to upload all those details, and then you have to pay the fees. So that is the basic process, but I'll elaborate you once they'll start the application. So talking about the fees structure of PGCET examination for general OBC candidate, the fees is 650, whereas for ST and ST category students, the fees is near about 500. And one more thing, when it comes to this specific examination, there is no negative marking for incorrect answers. So that makes this specific examination more easier. And also any of the examination what student gave, they wanted to know that what top colleges they can target through that specific examination. And if you really want to know about that, all you need to do is there's a profile analysis form in the description box what you can fill and ask all your queries related to colleges to target through PGCET, right? So I think apart from it, the syllabus of PGCET examination has been not announced. However, candidate can go through the previous year syllabus. It will be slightly similar, right? Divided into two parts, two sections. First section, which is part A, proficiency in English language and general knowledge. The section 2, which is part B, reasoning and general intelligence and quantitative analysis. Again, there will be no negative marking for a wrong answer in PGCET. Now, logical and abstract reasoning section measures how quickly and accurate one can think. And if you've already written other examination like CAT, XAT, or let's say even MAT or CMAT, then also it will be very easy for you to get good score in PGCET. The sections may have questions in set as well as individual ones based on verbal reasoning, analogy, among others. Now talking about the pattern, right? The duration of the examination 150 for MTech, ME, MCA and 120 minutes for MBA, right? The examination shall be in pen and paper mode, right? The question paper will be in English, right? Total marks 100. The question will be in the form of multiple choice question and there will be no negative questions. Now preparation, I think there's so many online platforms where you can prepare up yourself, and also if you've already prepared for CAT, XAT and the other examinations, it's not very difficult to go through it. You can go to the previous year's question papers. It will make you easy to go through the current papers, and the examination is quite easy as we compare it to so many other examination which is being conducted by for MBA especially, right? So I think scheme for marking, reserve category, number of vacant seat, right? Previous year cutoffs, number of total candidates appear. This is basically the criteria for the cutoff, that how you'll be able to get into any college through PGCET. So there are various parameters, depends on what kind of students with what percentile is doing choice filling of what kind of colleges, right? There are reserve seats when it comes to category wise, talking about OBC students, ST/SC students. That seat will be allocated to that specific students, and also again the choice filling, the students who are preferring the colleges more in the list, the cutoff will be on a higher side. So I think that's all about this episode. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, and for more such a video like this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel
and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.